everyone, how's it going? Hope you are well. Today I'm doing a magnet video boxes for you. This is a magnet type boxes with the glossy lamination. It's very beautiful. And this part, the logo or make the gold foil hot stamping on this box. This part or the gold foil. When you open this box, the inside have the hot stamping logo too, and the insert is the white color EVA according your product size to cut out the hole. This can protect your products into the box don't shake when shipping. Our boxes are customized, so just tell us your request details. Then our factory can do the best for you. If you want to know more information and price,